What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shay Sterling, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a very simple everyday makeup look. Um, so this is like for beginners, people who don't really know how to do makeup like that, or people who don't really do their makeup like that. This is for y'all. So yeah. Let's jump right into this. You guys see me doing my eyebrows using my BU Cosmetics, which is my brand if anybody doesn't know. So I'm using my BU Cosmetics brow dip in shade Mahogany. And quarantine got my brows looking really rough. So yeah, I'm just trying to get them looking okay. Like, that's why I was tweezing them in the image before. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and conceal my brows using Fawn, of course. Honestly, y'all, I've never used anything else to highlight my brows. So if y'all know some really good concealers, drop them down below. Let me know, because I need to get on to using more and different products. So yeah, I use the same, not the same concealer, but LA Girl Pro as well in the shade Beautiful Bronze, just to go ahead and highlight the top of my brows. And now I'm just blending everything out. So now I'm just, obviously putting on my foundation. I've never used this foundation on myself before. It's a Maybelline foundation. I don't like it. After doing this video, I just realized this was not the foundation for me. And the thing is, I just didn't want to do matte. The only other foundation I have right now is a matte one in my shade. And I wasn't feeling a matte look. I kind of wanted to do something a little bit more dewy, because on a regular day, I would wear dewy makeup as opposed to wearing a matte foundation. So yeah, I'm highlighting with the Kim Kardashian highlight stick, and I also contour with it as well. And honestly, I love this contour highlight kit sticks or whatever it's called. I love it. Um, yeah, that's just it. Like, I really do like it. The only thing I don't like is that it's very easy breakable. It's very breakable. No, that's not the word. It's fragile. So you have to be very careful. My highlighter stick, I did break it a little bit, but my contour stick is still fine. But yeah, it's very fragile. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Other than that, I love this highlight. I really like to use it, especially in the summertime. Like, it's definitely a my to go to in the summer. So now you just see me blending everything out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup. So here's the thing. I feel like I definitely left my setting powder on a little bit too long today. Normally I do my eyeshadow and my lashes or whatever. Normally I do that before doing my foundation. But I decided to do it differently only because, like I said, this is just an everyday go look. If I was like gonna go in with the eyeshadow, then I definitely would have did it before. But since I literally just used 2 eyeshadow colors and just had myself blending it out or whatever, I'm just like, yeah, we'll do it this way. But yeah, these are my lashes in Style Pretty. They're on $5. They're on sale for $5 right now. Just during the quarantine, I dropped all my prices on my website because I want to make things affordable for everybody. because I know we're going through like a very rough time right now. But yeah, I'm looking at myself put on my eyelashes and my eyes just looked crazy for a second. So yeah. Another thing I wanted to say is the thing is I have oily skin, and I don't know why I would prefer a dewy look over a matte look. Like, I just love a cute, glowy, dewy look. And the thing is, I have such oily skin, so like those two things don't really go together. Here y'all see me just, putting some powder contour over the cream contour. I love doing that, of course. And honestly, I'm just like putting on like finishing touches on my makeup, adding my highlighter. Also, guys, if you know any really good highlighters as well too, drop that below. There's just some makeup products I don't know like that much about, so like I just want people to give me advice and give me tips or whatever, because I want to change up what I use. And yeah, so yeah, I'm doing my lip combo now. My lips was looking really ashy right there. Oh my gosh, I cannot even believe I continued to post that, but it was just because of the lipstick that I used. And I'm using my Mintress lip gloss from my cosmetic line to top um my lips. And the Morph setting spray, that's my fave. I know a lot of people like that setting spray. And yeah, like this is basically the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see any other videos, let me know. Stay safe, stay healthy, and peace out, y'all.